Very well, thank you.
Welcome to Hyderabad.
Thanks so much. It's always nice to be here in Hyderabad.
That's what I'm going to ask. How are you feeling to be here in Hyderabad in this hot summer now?
Well, it's hot, but Hyderabad has always been warm to me. I've always enjoyed Hyderabadi hospitality, Hyderabadi biryani. So there are many friends here, and I enjoy coming here because the kind of experiences I've had on a cricket field, they've been simply amazing. Some really memorable matches that I've played here, and the crowd has gone all the way behind India. So
Yes.
a big thank you to all the Hyderabadis for supporting us.
So now you're going to watch IPL match today,
Yes, I'm very much there, part of Mumbai Indians.
right? So for coming to the movie Sachin, A Billion Dreams. Generally, a biopic on legends like you, it will create more impact on the generations to come. So what is your take, sir?
Well, I was actually approached in 2012 by the producer. He said that I want to make a film on your life. I said, no, I'm not prepared to act, because my simple logic was, I said, I'm a sportsman at heart and I'll always be a sportsman at heart. I said, you don't have to act. We'll take all the live footage, but from that live footage, what was going on in your mind is what we need to tell the world. So we've taken all the highs and lows, and I've spoken about those moments. Also, what we have in this movie is my mother speaking about me, my childhood, my aunt with whom I stayed for 4 years during my school days.
Yes.
Then both my brothers are speaking about me, my sister, my wife, my relationship with my children. All those things are
Very
there,
good.
and there's some really personal family videos which the whole family was happy sharing with. Because normally we all sit together and we decide what we are comfortable with, we go ahead with that. And the family was comfortable because we fully understand that the viewers want to watch something that they haven't seen at all.
Yes, they haven't.
And I can 100% guarantee you that you've not seen this footage, because this footage was only with our family. It didn't go out at all. So a message is, for children is it's not about glamour. It's about being passionate about something that you like.
Yes.
And what we've tried to capture in this movie is my dream of winning the World Cup
Yes.
for India. So from the age of 11, I start chasing my dream of playing for India,
And Kapil Dev
and then winning the World Cup. So that was the ultimate thing for me in cricket, and it's got to be the best day of my life on the cricket field.
But you took almost 1.5 2 years to
20
say yes.
I took about eight months or so to say yes. So yeah, it was not so easy because I was also focused on cricket, and I didn't want to get distracted. And I told Ravi, who's the producer, I said that right now I don't want to think about anything else. But then when he said that you don't need to do anything right now, we are doing our work, and once you feel you're ready for it, then we'll start working on it. But you could say yes.
But now what do you think, sir, exactly? It's about to release on 26th.
It's a different feeling. As the 26th release date is coming closer and closer, I'm starting to feel different. In fact, yesterday we had our first screening, first viewing for the Indian Armed Forces. Because the day I decided to do this film, I was very sure in my mind that the first viewing has to be with the Indian Armed Forces, and I consider myself really lucky because we all feel protected.
Yes.
And we are able to achieve so many things in life because we are in a position to do everything. It's only their sacrifices and their hard work. They do something really, really special, and I've always believed that they are the real heroes of our country, and I should share this movie first with them, And I was able to do that. I actually went there and I told them that I'm standing here alone in front of you because I had to go and speak few words.
Great gesture.
So I said that I'm standing here alone, but I'm speaking on behalf of billion plus people and saying you a big thank you for everything that you do for us.
So, but what the country will learn about the biopic, because the whole country and your fans, they know everything about you.
No, they don't know everything about me. You don't know the family side. You don't know what my wife was thinking, or you don't know what my brother was thinking. You don't know what my mother thought. You don't know my childhood. You've read a little bit here and there. But what we've also done is a 5-year-old Sachin. Obviously, I can't go back to being 5-year-old, but we've got a nice actor who's a naughty child, and that is how I was. The film was shot in my house, so it isn't a studio, it isn't a set, it is my house, the actual house. So people will get to see all that, which has never been seen by anyone. So people will get to see that, and then 11-year-old Sachin also goes to Shivaji Park, where my cricket started. It was exactly that pitch, that spot where I played the first ball. So it's the same spot, and I have also gone there, where the young 11-year-old Sachin also plays there. So the film was shot there, and then I go there on the same pitch and I speak about my experience. And from 16 year onwards, I take over. And
So, recollecting everything.
it's we've tried to do as much as possible, because the team had 10,000 hours of footage. So from 10,000 hours, I mean, how do you cut it down to 2 hours 15-17 minutes? It's a tough job, and I stayed out of it. I've done all the talking bit, and they shot, and they've been able to put this together. It was their job to do everything, so I had played the first inning. The second inning was played by them.
So that's why it took so long time, right?
Yes, it took long time, because out of those 10,000 hours, how do you construct something which is engaging and people like? It's not so easy to do that. We've been able to do that, and then the biggest challenge was what to leave out, because there were so many things which one wanted to include, but then the directors took that call, and they have decided what to include and what to leave out.
Generally, biopics are like feature films, but you opt for docu-feature. Any specific reason behind that?
No, this is to me, it is a real life story, which is captured without retakes. So in my life, it's been real life, not real life. So whatever action has happened, the camera has captured that, and we've tried to bring that in front of people.
Okay.
So there is no fiction in this. If I score 55 runs tomorrow, we cannot show that I've scored 155 runs, because it's going to look better. We don't want to do that. So the highs are actual highs and the lows are actual lows. So we always wanted to do this. As I said that, after having played for such a long time, I thought there is a direct connect with people, and I'm hoping that people would like to see that.
The whole country will know that you are a champion in the ground, but what is Sachin before camera? And how did you face the camera?
Initially I was uncomfortable, but then over a period of time I got comfortable. Also, understanding, like in cricket, you understand when to play shots and when not to. In front of the camera also, you understand certain things, and I think along the way, I've figured out few things, and I feel they've worked. The difference I figured out between playing cricket and shooting commercials and all that is the camera was actually capturing what I was doing while I was playing.
Yes.
But for commercials, whatever the camera wants you to do, you have to do that. So I've been able to adapt to both these things. Obviously, first one came naturally to me. The second one, commercials and all that, it took me a while to be comfortable in front of the camera. In fact, I remember that the the first time I shot, it was a new experience, different experience. And when they asked me, would you like to have to put some makeup on? And I said, no, I don't want to do that. And
So no makeup.
But no, I didn't. For quite some time, I didn't. But then over a period of time, a little bit of touch up, and you feel sweaty and all that. Then they come and do a bit of dabbing. And that nothing major, but you start figuring out these things.
So how was the total experience? Your family involved in this biopic, right? Anjali, Sara,
Yes,
Arjun.
yes. Everyone is involved in this, the whole family, and it's something that that has not been in front of people at all.
So what was the whole experience after completion of the movie when you see the first print?
It was satisfying, and I never thought I'd see myself on 70 but it's been good. Before any match, I would tick all the boxes as far as my preparation was concerned. And if I've managed to tick all boxes, then I was okay. I was happy that I've prepared myself, just like any student preparing for an exam.
Okay.
You want to make sure that you've covered the whole chapter. You know everything, what's there in the book. Similarly for us, before you go out to play, you need to tick all the boxes and prepare yourself, looking at the opposition's strengths and weaknesses. Here also, I told the whole team that let's not worry about the result. First, let's make sure that we've ticked all the boxes. So that is like playing the first innings. The second innings, the people will play.
So
as long as we've done our best, that is what matters.
When it comes to the game, you're the master, and when it comes to the cinema or acting, where Sachin stands?
Well, right now though I'm sitting, so I don't know where I stand. Honestly, I was always more concerned about what my contribution is to the nation when I'm on the field, and the rest of the things happened around cricket. There was a simple formula at home, an unwritten rule at home.
Yes.
Rather, that we stay focused on the game, let cricket be in the foreground, the rest of the things will continue happening in the background. We should not lose focus from cricket, and that's what I continue doing. Even here, see, people have liked me whatever I have been for last 24 years. So why do I need to suddenly come here and change? So we don't want to do that. I still want to be the same Sachin that people have liked. Yes, we all want to get better and better in life. That happens with everyone, and so is the case with me. But I can't change completely.
And sir, it need guts to talk about the lows in anybody's life. So it dealt with all of that in the biopic.
I don't think I need to hide anything, and I've never done that. I may not have spoken at that moment, but I've never lied to anyone, because whatever I've done, it's there in front of the whole world. So I mean, as I said earlier, that there is no fiction. You can't show something that hasn't happened in my life. So everything that has happened in my life is there. It's just that I'm trying to tell people what is going on in my mind.
So generally, you're a little shy person, right? So how did you manage before the camera while acting and everything?
Yes, I am. One can say that I am shy, but I think now I've been shooting commercials for almost 27 years.
New, yeah.
So 27 years में थोड़ा बहुत तो सीख जाता है.
Correct, sir. Sir, what about the music, Mr. A.R. Rahman? I think he is generally
Fabulous.
creates the magic. So
Fabulous.
what is your experience with him?
AR, obviously in his field he is unbelievable, but also a good friend of mine.
No.
So we gelled well, and when he made me hear the songs, simply incredible. I mean, that is what A.R. Rahman does to you. It catches your attention, and then you keep listening to the songs, and they only grow on you more and more. It's the same case with the music in my movie. I think the songs are incredible.
And so generally there will be comparisons between other biopics and yours, which is coming out.
I don't
now.
I've never believed in comparisons. So we should now Bhag Milkha Bhag I have seen, Dhoni I have seen. Let them be two individuals. Rather than comparing all the time. I don't believe in comparisons.
So once we will see Sachin, it is nothing remain about you to know, right? Everything,
No,
everything will be said in that.
there'll be things which you will still not know, because it's hard to tell a whole life, from the age of 5 to the last day of my cricketing career. It's a long time. You're looking at almost 35 years, and 35 years, how do you cover in 2 hours? But we've tried our level best to show something which people don't know.
Right. So finally, IPL is done. So next Champions Trophy. What are our chances to get the trophy?
Well, we have a terrific team, and I have very high hopes. A well balanced squad, and extremely fit, raring to go, and then that is what everyone looks for. They look for competition and cricket playing at a level where the rest can only sit back and admire, and that is what as an Indian I'm expecting. The team is geared up, they're charged up, and I'm sure they will go out and give their best. We have high expectations, but that is what team also expects from us, because they are good.
And so finally, the innings of cinema will continue?
No. Right now, I just want to, after this, I just want to take some time off because it's been draining.
Right. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks for
Thank
your
you.
great time.